Welcome to San Joaquin College of Law Today, a show dedicated to issues and events within the law school which are of general interest as well. SJCL Today is produced by San Joaquin College of Law, a nonprofit law school in Clovis, founded in 1969 to provide quality legal education. Over 88% of its graduates have passed the California bar examination. More than a quarter of the practicing lawyers in the Fresno area are San Joaquin College of Law graduates. Today's program is this year's commencement ceremonies for the class of 2014, including 51 candidates for the degree of Juris Doctor. While we normally focus on the speeches and encouragement offered by our keynote speaker, faculty, and valedictorian, this time we shift our focus to the individual graduates, giving each a chance to offer his or her thanks and story in their own words.
It is my pleasure to present the San Joaquin College of Law class of 2014. Peter Daniel Aguayo. Peter attended California State University, Fresno, where he received his Bachelor of Arts degree in mathematics. He participated in the New American Legal Clinic for 2 years and served as research assistant for Professor Purvis. Peter also clerked at the firm of Cornwell and Sample and interned for a year and a half at Central California Legal Services. Peter states, "I want to thank my family, especially my mom and dad, for supporting my decision to change careers to pursue becoming an attorney. Thanks to all my friends who at the end of every semester provided me with Jameson and a couch with cat hair to sleep on. Me and my alter ego, Nitro, promise you will always have free legal advice." Congratulations, Peter. Angelica Isabel Ambrose with distinction. Angelica graduated summa cum laude from California State University, Fresno with a Bachelor of Arts degree in English. Angelica was heavily involved with the San Joaquin Agricultural Law Review. Her comment proposing legislative solutions to the food desert crisis was published in volume 21 of the Law Review. The following year, she served as notes and comments editor for volume 22, and then this past year as co-editor-in-chief for volume 23. Last summer, Angelica received the Best Brief Award in the George Hopper Moot Court Competition. She also has received the Whitkin Award for Academic Excellence in Torts, Real Property, Legal Process, and Evidence, and was awarded the Carolyn T. Mervis Scholarship and the Brown Scholarship for Women. During law school, Angelica served as an extern for United States District Judge Anthony W. Ishii, and for the past year and a half as a law clerk for attorney Daniel A. Bacon, from whom she gained valuable practical experience in the area of criminal defense. Angelica wishes to thank her mother and father, Anne Marie and Frank, and sister Alexandria for all their love and support. Congratulations, Angelica. Andrew Antaramian. Andrew attended California State University, Fresno, where he received a Bachelor of Science degree in Business Administration and International Business. He's a recipient of the Central California Bankruptcy Association Scholarship, the Fresno County Bar Association's Zekian Memorial Scholarship, the Leon S. Peters Foundation Leadership Scholarship, and the Karazi Bar Study Support Scholarship. Andrew would like to thank his family, his wife Kanar and her family for all of their help, patience, and support throughout law school. After passing the bar exam, Andrew plans to pursue a career in business law or Social Security law. Congratulations, Andrew. Linda Crystal Barreto. Linda received her Bachelor of Arts degree with honors in psychology at the University of California, Merced. She received Joaquin Awards for academic excellence in family law mediation and advanced research and writing. She was also a Best Oral Advocate semifinalist in the George Hopper Moot Court competition. During law school, Linda served as a student advocate with the New American Legal Clinic, as an intern with Philip Kim Law Center specializing in immigration law, and as an intern with the Castro Law Group. After the bar, she hopes to find employment with a firm that assists underserved and underprivileged individuals. Linda says, "I would like to thank my incredible husband, Ramon, my 3-year-old son, Adrian, and my 9-month-old baby, Aliana, for their patience, support, and unconditional love. Thank you to my mother-in-law, Hortensia, for her willingness to help with our children so that I can follow my dream. And a special thank you to my parents, Ben and Teresa, my siblings, extended family, and friends for believing in me and encouraging me to be the best I can be." Congratulations, Linda. David Mitchell Benton with distinction. David earned his Bachelor of Arts degree in English at California State University, Fresno, and his Master of Arts degree in English at National University. He was awarded the Bertha and John Garavedian Military Service Scholarship, and he received Joaquin Awards for academic excellence in legal analysis and writing, business organizations, and private labor law. David also served as production editor for the San Joaquin Agricultural Law Review. David says, "I'd like to thank my wife, my kids, parents, and mother-in-law. Their support helped make today possible." David, congratulations. Aaron Michael Blunt. Aaron states that he was fortunate to attend law school unburdened by previous education. This diploma represents the efforts not only of himself, but of his entire family. Countless small and large sacrifices have been endured by Aaron's wife, Tasha, and their children, Trace, Tessa, and Vaughn. These challenges have been met by Aaron's family with both poise and patience. After Aaron passes the California bar exam, he plans to practice in the area of agricultural law. Aaron, congratulations. Harut Garo Boldukian. Harut received his Associate of Arts degree in English at Glendale Community College and his bachelor's degree in English Literature at California State University, Northridge. He's a recipient of the Better Business Bureau Student Employee Scholarship, the Harry Zekin Memorial Scholarship, and scholarships from the Central California Bankruptcy Association and the American Bar Association. He was also a Best Oral Advocate finalist in the Hopper Moot Court competition. Harut has been active in the Student Bar Association, serving for 1 year as class representative and for the past 2 years as SBA president. His classmates also chose him as Student of the Year in his 2nd and 4th years. During law school, Harut has worked in the law school admissions office, for the Better Business Bureau as a small claims advisor, and as a law clerk at Wagner, Jones, Kaufman, and Artinian. Harut plans to continue to help his father run the family cigar manufacturing business even after he passes the bar and becomes an attorney. Harut states, "I would like to thank the incredible friends that I've made while attending SJCL and living in Fresno. You've all become like family to me and supported me when I needed you the most. Thank you to Aaron Blunt and Roshana Shirzad for your unrelenting support for all 4 years. And thank you to Adam Rushing and the Rushing family for treating me like one of your own. Thank you to my sisters Talar and Lara for always being there when I needed you. I can't thank my parents enough for the support, love, and encouragement they have given me these past 4 years. I love you all, and thank you." Congratulations, Harut. Wesley Lawrence Carlson with high honors. Wes attended California Polytechnic State University, San Luis Obispo, where he received a Bachelor of Science degree in agricultural business. He was the winner of the Best Oral Advocate in the 2013 Hopper Moot Court Competition and represented SJCL at the statewide Trainer Moot Court Competition. He also received Whitkin Awards for academic excellence in real property, constitutional law, moot court, and immigration law policy and writing. Wes served as judicial extern for the Honorable Anthony W. Ishii in the United States District Court and as a staff member for the San Joaquin Agricultural Law Review. He's a member of the Delta Theta Phi Law Fraternity. Wes would like to thank his parents, family, friends, and professors for supporting him through his time in law school. He adds, "Thanks for putting up with me these past 4 years." Wes plans to stay in the Valley and practice in Fresno. Congratulations, Wes. Candace Maureen Clark Talbot, with high honors. Candace received her Bachelor of Arts degree in Political Science at California State University, Fresno. She received Whitkin Awards for academic excellence in contracts, legal research and writing, constitutional law, evidence, wills and trusts, and legal process. She's a recipient of the Baradat and Pabujan Trial Advocacy Scholarship. Candace was published in the 22nd volume of the San Joaquin Agricultural Law Review and also served as notes and comments editor for volume 23. She completed internships with both the Madera and Fresno County District Attorney's offices and plans on pursuing a career in criminal law. Candace would like to thank her family, friends, and study group for their continued support and understanding throughout law school. She would like to thank her parents, Heather Harrison and Rodney Clark, as well as her step-parents, Daphne Clark and James Aaron, for their encouragement. Candace especially would like to thank her husband, Nick Talbot. Words cannot express her love and appreciation for his unconditional and unwavering love and support through this journey. Congratulations, Candace. Susan Denise Davey. Susan earned her Bachelor of Arts degree in Political Science at the University of Georgia. She also received a master's degree in Business Leadership and Organizational Skills from Fresno Pacific University and is receiving her Juris Doctor degree today jointly with a master's in Peacemaking and Conflict Studies through a cooperative program between SJCL and Fresno Pacific University. This cooperative program gave Susan the opportunity to create and implement a conflict resolution course that is now being taught in a state mental health facility. During law school, Susan also completed an internship with the Victim Offender Reconciliation Program. After school, she plans to practice law for the state of California. Susan states, "I am very grateful to my husband Ryan and my children William and Emily for putting up with me during my law school journey. Without Ryan's support, there is no way I would have been successful in my endeavors. I'd like to thank my parents, Steve and Anita Richardson, for giving me the moral guidance that has enabled me to become the person that I am today. A special thank you to Dwayne Ruth Heffelbauer for his encouragement and support. And finally, I appreciate my P90X breakfast friends for listening to my complaints and encouraging me to continue when my work, school, and home life became stressful." Congratulations, Susan. Jennifer Ann DeRusi. Jennifer graduated from the University of California, Berkeley with a Bachelor of Arts degree in rhetoric. She completed a clinical internship at the employment law firm of Bennett and Sharp. After passing the bar exam, Jennifer plans to practice employment and labor law. Jennifer states, "I would like to thank my mom, dad, my fiance Ryan Jones, and all my friends for their support and encouragement." Congratulations, Jennifer. Jonathan James Eccles. Jonathan earned his Associate of Arts degree in Liberal Arts at Fresno City College and his Bachelor of Arts in History from the University of California, Santa Cruz. He was the Best Brief Award winner in the 2013 Hopper Moot Court competition and also was awarded the Ken Coyle Memorial Scholarship. During law school, Jonathan worked as a law clerk at the Office of Criminal Defense Attorney Marina Gonzalez. He plans to take and pass the patent bar and to practice intellectual property law. He also hopes to become a successful business owner. Jonathan states, "I wish to give thanks to my friends, family, and classmates for their support. I would also like to give special thanks to my girlfriend Cindy for her support and patience with me during finals." Congratulations, Jonathan. William Russell Freeman. William attended the University of California, Davis, where he received his Bachelor of Science degree in Civil Engineering. He is the recipient of Whitkin Awards for academic excellence in advanced research and writing and professional responsibility. While in law school, William worked for a local agricultural water district, spent time attending his daughter Rachel's soccer and softball games, FFA, and ice skating. There were also occasional date nights with Christine. William adds, "I would like to thank Rachel, Christine, Mom, and Sis for all their support and understanding, and the staff, professors, and benefactors of SJCL for this exceptional school. After this, I plan to spend about a year recovering and to continue working in California water matters." Congratulations, William. Christina Diane Garabedian. Christina graduated from Pacific Lutheran University with a Bachelor of Arts degree in Global Studies and Chinese Studies and a Bachelor of Arts in Business Administration. While attending law school, she is also pursuing her master's in business at Fresno State, and she will receive that degree next spring. Christina was blessed with many opportunities in law school, including working with the Family Law Mediation Clinic and the New American Legal Clinic, and serving on both the Student Bar Association and Delta Theta Phi boards. She was given the opportunity while working in the law school's advancement office to be at many school and alumni events where she was able to meet a lot of great people. Christina received the Whitkin Award for Academic Excellence in Research and Writing and competed in the UC Davis Asylum Moot Court competition. She also received scholarships from the Delta Theta Phi Law Fraternity, the Armenian American Citizens League, the Central California Bankruptcy Association, and Women of the Evangelical Lutheran Church in America, as well as the first ever Janice Pearson Scholarship. Christina just finished her job as a court mediator in mediation services provided through the Better Business Bureau. After passing the bar, she hopes to pursue a job in business and civil law and ultimately become a full-time mediator resolving business disputes. Christina adds, "I want to thank all my bosses, co-workers, friends, roommates, and family that put up with me during law school, especially my study partners, Mary and Jonas, who helped me get through classes. Finally, I want to thank my parents. Without their love, support, and guidance, I would not be where I am today." Congratulations, Christina. Veronica Lynn Hales. Veronica received her Associate of Arts degree in Liberal Arts from West Hills College and her Bachelor of Arts degree in Social Science from Chapman University. She states, "I wish to express endless gratitude to the faculty and staff of SJCL, the Child's Law Office, my parents for preparing me for a career in argument, Nick for always being my best friend, Tanvir, my future partner, for constantly coming to my rescue, Stephen, my love, for believing in me when even I didn't, and Morgan, Grant, Winston, and Henry for daily love and inspiration. I love you, boys, and may you always go confidently in the direction of your dreams." Congratulations, Veronica. Charles Paul Hamamjan. Charlie graduated from California State University, Fresno with a Bachelor of Science degree in business entrepreneurship. He's a 3-year member of the Delta Theta Phi Law fraternity. As a lifelong resident of Fresno, he plans to continue to pursue his legal career here in the Central Valley in the area of civil litigation. Charles states, "All of the success I have had in law school is owed to my family and friends. Without them, none of this would be possible. I'd like to especially thank my mom, dad, Evelyn, Dennis, and Jennifer for all their support throughout my schooling and for my decision to go to law school. I would also like to thank my friends for their continued friendship and support while I have been away and studying. And lastly, I would like to thank my fiancée and study partner, Julie, for being there for me every step of the way. Without her, none of this would be worth it." Congratulations, Charlie. Randell Lynn Harper. Randell received her Bachelor of Science degree in criminology at California State University, Fresno. She received the Joaquin Award for academic excellence in legal research and writing. During law school, she served as a mediator in SJCL's Family Law Mediation Clinic, completed an internship at the Kings County District Attorney's Office, and oh yeah, she had a baby. Randell adds, "To each and every person here with me today, this is the one time they don't want me to talk and have given me a word limit, so I can't say all that I want or need to say to you, but know that each and every one of you have played an important part in my law school journey. To my husband, Seth, without your love and expensive gifts these last 3 years, I would not have made it. To SJCL staff, thank you for making this journey as enjoyable as possible." Randell, congratulations. William Jack Hathaway. Jack attended California State University, Fresno, where he earned a Bachelor of Arts degree in political science and a Master of Arts degree in public administration. Jack served as a mediator in the Family Law Clinic and as a class representative to the Student Bar Association. Jack would be remiss if he did not thank his wife, Christina, and his mothers, Chris and Tatiana, and fathers, Abe and Jean. Jack also thanks his son, Malik, just because. Jack also thanks the Money Team, future leaders of industry and politics, Justin Vecchiarelli and Tyler Vieira, for being the study group that he could deal with in the necessary ways. Lastly, Jack wishes to thank Professor Purvis for dealing with Jack's dark roast coffee and less than stellar backgammon game. There were many strange tales that came from this adventure, and Jack held his head high in the hard times, knowing when the going gets weird, the weird turn pro. Congratulations, Jack. Libby Hellwig. Libby graduated from Northwest University with a Bachelor of Arts degree in political science and history. She was awarded the 2014 Clovis Seroptimus Women's Advocate Award and Joaquin Awards for academic excellence in constitutional law research seminar and torts. Libby was an officer in Law Students United in Tolerance. She worked in the domestic violence unit of the Fresno County District Attorney's Office for 2 years and for the law office of Webb and Bordson this past spring. Libby says, "I want to give a big thank you to my parents, Mark and Rosemary, for all their support throughout law school, to my sisters, friends, study group, and legal mentors at the DA's office, and a special thank you to Becca and Chris for all their generosity and for making sure I take a break from studying every once in a while." Libby, congratulations. Victoria Lydia Hernandez Maga. Victoria attended California State University, Fresno. She received her Bachelor of Arts degree in Business Administration with an option in accounting. Victoria received the Whitkin Award for Academic Excellence in Wills and Trusts, the Leon S. Peters Leadership Scholarship, and the Hugh Goodwin Scholarship. She served as a student advocate in the New American Legal Clinic and also was a member of the Delta Theta Phi Law Fraternity. Outside of school, Victoria volunteered with the Sunnyside High School choirs and was a youth director at Sunnyside Community Church. In law school, she worked with the Hernandez Law Offices and also was a law clerk with the office of attorney Kevin Picott. Victoria plans to pursue her legal career in the area of civil litigation. Victoria adds, "First, I would like to give all the credit to my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. Without him, I am nothing. I would like to thank my loving husband, Davis, who held our household together these past 3 years while I was in law school. A special thanks to my sis, Monica, for testing me on all my law school outlines and helping me study. You were a tremendous help. Thank you, Mom and Dad, Virginia and Raul Hernandez, for your constant prayers, continual love, and support. My brothers, Sergio and Joshua, for your encouraging words, and Candace and Elizabeth, you two were the best study partners I could ever ask for. Thank you to all my family and friends. I love and appreciate you all." Congratulations. Tanvir Joshi. Tanvir graduated from Guru Nanak Dev University in Amritsar, India, with a Bachelor of Arts degree in law. During law school, he has worked at the New American Legal Clinic, conducted a naturalization camp at the Sikh temple, and helped quite a few people obtain naturalization while obtaining fee waivers and avoiding the large attorney fees that can create an obstacle to citizenship. In the future, Tanvir plans on opening his own immigration law firm. Tanvir says, "I would like to thank SJCL for giving me the opportunity to obtain a law degree. I'd like to thank my family, my teachers, and all my law school friends who have helped me through these last 4 years, including Sarwinder Dungeon, SJCL class of 2013, Joshua Longoria, Robert Yamamoto, and Veronica Hales. I specifically want to thank Mr. Justin Atkinson, who is such a great person, for allowing me to join the New American Legal Clinic and to be involved in the community. I am surely going to miss the Rich and Larry jokes. And in the end, thank you to everybody in law school for cooperating with my 1-800 toll-free Indian accent." Congratulations, Tanvir. That's cute. Bradley John Kalebjan. Bradley graduated from California State University, Fresno with a Bachelor of Science degree in Agricultural Economics. He was published in the 22nd volume of the San Joaquin Agricultural Law Review, and he served on the editorial board as articles editor for volume 23. Bradley wishes to say thank you to my parents, Dennis and Paulette. And also, he'd like to share an excerpt from a poem that he says got him through the toughest times of law school. This poem is by Dr. Seuss. Now, before reading this poem, I tried to figure out, did this have something to do with agricultural economics? Or is this just what happens to you when you serve on the law school, the law review editorial board for too long? I wasn't sure, but when I read this poem carefully, I discovered it's all about the kind of things we read in the cases that we study in law school. And here it goes. One fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish, black fish, blue fish, old fish, new fish. You constitutional law scholars, do you see an equal protection issue there? This one has a little car. This one has a little star. Say, what a lot of fish there are. Yes, some are red and some are blue, some are old and some are new. Some are sad and some are glad, and some are very, very bad. There's your criminal law right there. Some are very bad. Some are thin and some are fat. The fat one has a yellow hat. Is the yellow hat admissible in evidence? Good question. Today is gone. Today was fun. Tomorrow is another one. Every day from here to there. Funny things are everywhere. Congratulations, Bradley. Amanda Michelle Carr with high honors. Amanda graduated from California State University, Fresno with a Bachelor of Science degree in Business Administration with an option in Management, Organizational Leadership, and a minor in Philosophy. Amanda wrote a published law review comment analyzing the U-Visa's certification requirement and served as the executive editor of the San Joaquin Agricultural Law Review. Amanda received the Whitkin Award for Academic Excellence in 13 subjects. She received the Fresno County Bar Association Memorial Scholarship, Fresno County Women Lawyers Justine Pauline Davis Hansen Scholarship, the Honorable Mario Olmos Memorial Scholarship, and the SJCL Student Bar Association Scholarship for merit overall. During law school, Amanda worked at the law offices of Wagner, Jones, Kaufman, and Artinian, and was a judicial extern for U.S. District Court Judge Lawrence O'Neill and Magistrate Judge Gary Austin for the Eastern District of California. She studied abroad in Galway, Ireland, where she learned international human rights law and perspectives of the U.S. Supreme Court. Amanda would like to thank her family and friends for all their love and support throughout law school. She would also like to acknowledge and thank her professors and the SJCL staff for their countless hours and dedication to their students. Amanda, congratulations. Great job. Thank you. See you soon. Elizabeth Nicole Kozicki. Nikki received her Bachelor of Arts degree in International Studies at American University. She received the Whitkin Award for Academic Excellence in Torts, was a Best Oral Advocate finalist in the Hopper Moot Court competition, and represented SJCL at the 2014 Asylum and Refugee Law Moot Court competition at UC Davis. Nikki's law review comment was published in the 22nd volume of the San Joaquin Agricultural Law Review. She plans to move to Australia in the fall and practice immigration law. Nikki states, "I would like to thank my family and especially my husband for their incredible support and patience through these 3 years, no matter how far apart we were." Nikki, congratulations. Joshua Anthony Longoria. Joshua graduated from California State University, Fresno with a Bachelor of Arts degree in Communications. He's a recipient of the Honorable Mario Olmos Memorial Scholarship and the Ibarra Casillas Scholarship, and in 2014 was awarded a Mexican Consulate Certificate of Appreciation for his work with the New American Legal Clinic. Joshua has served as a student advocate in the New American Legal Clinic for the past 3 years, and also as a student representative for the Central Valley DACA Collaborative. He has served for 2 years as president of Law Students United in Tolerance, and also has served as Student Bar Association treasurer. As for the future, Joshua states, "My future plan is to pass the bar. That's all I care about." Congratulations, Joshua. Julie Catherine McMichael. Julie attended the University of California, Santa Barbara, where she received her Bachelor of Arts degree in History. She has received Whitkin Awards for Academic Excellence in Contracts and Public Labor Law, and won the Best Brief Award in the Hopper Moot Court competition. Julie is a member of the Delta Theta Phi Law Fraternity. Julie says, "I would like to thank my mom, dad, hi Ralph, and sister Jenny for their unconditional love and support. I would also like to thank my fiance Charlie for making law school a little less dreadful." Julie will begin work in the fall at McCormick Barstow, where she will be practicing civil litigation. Julie, congratulations. Ryan Michael Maccabee. Ryan received his Bachelor of Arts degree in History at California State University, Fresno. On the subject of scholarships, Ryan states, I'm still waiting for the Humanistic Taxidermy Society of America and Cracked.com to offer law scholarships. Regarding membership in organizations, Ryan states, I was a registered member of OutlineDepot.com, ForLawSchool.com, and ForLawNotes.com for the entirety of my law school career. I would like to thank all three. Ryan adds, I'd like to thank all of my friends and family, particularly my dad, stepmom, brother, and sister, none of whom saw much of me over the course of this hectic journey. I'd also like to thank my two closest friends, Jacqueline Plata and Dallas Thiessen, without whom I would have had to rely solely on Facebook for entertainment during class. And I'd like to thank my mom and Aunt Cindy, without whom I would never have made it to class. Finally, I want to thank my little man Lucas, who waited patiently for this and was always willing to share his crayons or pencil boxes in case I needed them. And this guy is a wonderful and devoted father, if any of you know anything about him. I love you all dearly, he adds. Congratulations, Ryan. Michael Rios McAfee. Michael received his Bachelor of Arts degree in Political Science at California State University, Stanislaus. After Michael passes the bar exam and becomes a licensed attorney, he plans to practice locally and serve his community in the area of immigration law. Michael adds, I would like to thank my wife, Erica, for her constant love and support. Without her, I would not be here today. Congratulations, Michael. Catherine Marie McLaughlin with distinction. Katie graduated from California State University, Long Beach with a Bachelor of Arts degree in Political Science. She received Whitkin Awards for academic excellence in torts, civil procedure, and business organizations, and was awarded the Spirit of SJCL Scholarship. She was also a George Hopper Moot Court Competition semifinalist. Katie is a member of the Delta Theta Phi Law Fraternity. She served as class rep to the Student Bar Association and worked as a law clerk at the firm of Campaign, and Lerner. After graduation, Katie plans to be a family law advocate or to go into criminal law. Katie states, first and foremost, I'd like to thank my mom and dad for being both my emotional and financial support throughout my academic career. I will be forever grateful, and special thanks to my study partner, Cheech. I would like to thank my boyfriend, Adam, even though he didn't thank me last year in his graduation speech, for leading the way for me in law school, letting me learn from his mistakes, and most importantly, for his countless words of encouragement. Congratulations, Katie. Ashley Rose Mohammadi. Ashley has received a Bachelor of Arts degree in Africana and American Indian Studies, a bachelor's degree in chemistry, and a master's degree in forensic science, all earned at California State University, Fresno. She worked as a law clerk with the Fresno County District Attorney's Office for 2 years, interned with Sierra IP Law, and is currently a law clerk at the firm of Frame, Matsumoto, and Coelho. Ashley also served as a class representative to the Student Bar Association. She hopes to pursue corporate law and estate planning. Ashley's message, G baby, I adore you. Special thanks to my study partner, Chong. You get that, Cheech and Chong? Yeah. Farah and Michael, you are my two favorite siblings. Mom and Dad, you inspire me to work hard, and I want nothing more than to make you proud. And Dad, I promise I'm done with school. Congratulations, Ashley. Ramon Nava. Ramon received his Bachelor of Arts degree in History Chicano-Latino Studies from California State University, Fresno, and his Master of Arts degree and teaching credential in education from National University. Ramon grew up in Planada, California. His parents, Jose and Maria Nava, through their hard work and sacrifice, ensured that their son succeeded. Ramon has a great appreciation for his parents, and he is forever indebted to them. Ramon began law school in 2010, and his wife's support has been crucial to his educational success, which has included several Whitkin Awards for academic excellence. Ramon's family, including daughter Elena, inspires Ramon to use his legal education to benefit others and to serve the community. Congratulations. Lacey O'Brien. Lacey earned her Bachelor of Arts degree in English at the University of California, Berkeley, and her Master of Arts degree in English at Brown University. Lacey wishes to say, thank you to all my family for their support, especially my dad for babysitting. Thank you to my friends and study partners, Alex, Sarah, Marla, Lupita, and Amy. And thank you to my little boy, Sean, for being such a joy. Congratulations, Lacey. David Christopher Olmos. David graduated from the University of California, Davis with a Bachelor of Arts degree in political science. David's a member of the Delta Theta Phi Law Fraternity. He received the Whitkin Award for Academic Excellence in Advanced Research and Writing. During law school, David clerked at the Fresno County District Attorney's Office. After the bar, he plans to return to the DA's office and looks forward to practicing criminal law. David wishes to say, thank you to my parents, family, and friends for your guidance and encouragement. Thank you to my girlfriend, Andrea, for your constant support and for always believing in me. Thank you to my sister, Marissa, for taking the time to listen to my oral arguments for moot court and criminal trial practice. I would also like to acknowledge my classmates and study group for making law school bearable. A special thank you to the attorneys who mentored me and have prepared me for the legal profession. David, congratulations. Gabriel Joseph Pacheco. Gabriel received his Associate of Arts degree in criminology at Reedley College. He is a recipient of the Florentino Jose Memorial Scholarship, and he has served for 2 years as an officer in Law Students United in Tolerance. Gabriel says, I would like to thank my daughter, Angelina, my wife, Keely, my parents, my grandparents, and the rest of my family. After the bar exam, Gabriel plans to pursue a career in criminal law. Congratulations, Gabriel. Jonas Nathaniel Parr. Jonas received his Bachelor of Arts degree in English Literature at the University of California, Berkeley. Jonas's classmates chose him as Student of the Year for 2010, 2011, and 2012. He was a Best Brief finalist in the Hopper Moot Court competition and is a recipient of the Judy Wiseman Memorial Scholarship. Jonas is a member of the Delta Theta Phi Law Fraternity. During law school, he volunteered and served as a certified law student with the Fresno County District Attorney's Office. Jonas wishes to say, first and foremost, I would like to thank my wife and children for supporting me throughout my law school journey. Additionally, I would like to thank my extended family and friends for putting up with me and all my boring law-related stories. On the professional level, I would like to thank all the attorneys who helped me along the way, including Andrew Jones, Daniel Kaufman, Lawrence Artinian, Paul Mullen, Butch Wagner, Barry Bennett, Thomas Sharp, Heather Phillips, K.T. De La Rosa, Ann Bennett, John Sabernock, Jen Nelson, Lindsay Bittner, Brandon Israelian, Joseph Wang, Richard Kern, Sean Wilson, Darren Van Doren, and Monica Thiessen. That list consists of people who either have taught in this law school or have walked across this stage as graduates before Jonas. It's a real tradition we have at the law school of helping each other. And then one final note with Jonas that he didn't put on his thing, but I think is worth noting, that Jonas and his beautiful wife and daughters probably hold the record for the most times any law student and family ever went to Disneyland. Congratulations, Jonas. It's been great. Jordan Michael Penner. Jordan graduated from California State University, Fresno with a degree in political science, and till this day is still wondering why they call it a science. During his 3 years at SJCL, he worked in 3 different settings in the legal community and served as Student Bar Association treasurer in his final year. Jordan would like to thank his former employers, retired U.S. Magistrate Dennis L. Beck and his bosses at the law firm of Campaign, and Lerner. He'd like to give a special thanks to his current bosses, Mark Broughton and Jeff Hammerschmidt, for their continued support and interest in his professional development. Jordan cannot thank his parents enough for their patience, support, and unrivaled love throughout this experience. He'd also like to thank his sister for teaching him that being right is purely a matter of perspective. Jordan would like to apologize in advance to his girlfriend Lauren for the nightmare he is surely to become in the coming months of bar prep. Lastly, he would like to thank his study partners, John Orman and Michael Titus, for proving that misery really does love company. Congratulations, Jordan. Jacqueline Marie Plata. Jacqueline graduated from the University of California, Riverside with a Bachelor of Arts degree in political science. Jacqueline worked at the New American Legal Clinic for 2 years as a student and volunteer. Through the clinic and the Marjorie Mason Center, Jacqueline was able to help victims of domestic violence with their immigration issues. Jacqueline says, "I want to thank Professor Bobadilla and Dean Atkinson. They gave me the guidance and encouragement to learn about immigration law. Through them, I was able to see the work of humility and compassion. Thank you for the great opportunities you gave me through the New American Legal Clinic. I will miss you both dearly. I would like to thank my parents. Without them, I could not be where I am at this very moment. Dad, you are my greatest friend. You endlessly support me, but also humbled me by reminding me, don't get too cocky." And let's be honest, law students can use that reminder once in a while. "Mom, like mother, like daughter, you gave me the fire I have inside to stand up for what is right, no matter what. Thank you." Jacqueline, congratulations. Sabrina Johnson Prindeville. Sabrina earned her Associate of Arts degree in Social Sciences at Reedley College. She has served as Secretary of Law Students United in Tolerance and is a member of the Delta Theta Phi Law Fraternity. Sabrina also served as a mediator in the Family Law Mediation Clinic, as a volunteer for Senior Day, as a certified law student at the Public Defender's Office, as a law clerk for attorney Michael Bertinella, and as a law clerk for attorney James Miller. Sabrina says, "I would like to thank my family and friends for all their patience and support, especially my husband Kurt, my children Holly, Mark, Alexander, Nicholas, and Riley, and my nephew Mason. I want to thank all of my many study partners and professors who made this all possible. In this case, it really did take a village to help this one woman achieve the goal that I set for myself more than 30 years ago." Congratulations, Sabrina. Colin David Reese with high honors, valedictorian. Conlon received his Bachelor of Science degree in plant biology from the University of California, Davis. Conlon was a member of the San Joaquin Agricultural Law Review, which he served as notes and comments editor for Volume 22,
and as co-editor-in-chief for Volume 23. He also represented SJCL at the Trainer Moot Court competition. During law school, Conlon worked as a biologist at the Fresno Westside Mosquito Abatement District. And you know, Conlon, I have here a little trophy that has your name on it. It says valedictorian, so I should probably present that to you. Congratulations. Yes. Congratulations. Sara Elena Santoyo Ruiz. Sara attended the University of California, Berkeley, where she earned a Bachelor of Arts degree in psychology. She has received Whitkin Awards for academic excellence in contract drafting, private labor law, family law mediation, and professional responsibility. She was also awarded the Woman Lawyer Scholarship and the Mario G. Olmos Memorial Scholarship. Sarah participated in the New American Legal Clinic for 3 years and also clerked for the immigration law offices of Jessica Smith Bobadilla and the education law offices of Lozano Smith. After the bar, Sarah plans to practice immigration law and hopes to become a highly respected advocate serving the needs of our local immigrant community. Sarah adds, first, thank you, God, for this day. Next, I thank my extraordinary parents, Robert and Maria Elena, for their unconditional support and for always setting the highest example. Thank you to Oscar for being my greatest teacher and a wonderful father to our 6-month-old baby girl. And thank you to all my dear friends and family who came to celebrate with me today. And also thank you to all the devoted professors and staff at SJCL, especially Diane Steele for believing in me, and Sally Paring for keeping it real and pushing me to be my best. Congratulations. Thank you. Carol Ann Marie Saita. Carol Ann earned her Bachelor of Science degree in Criminology and Law Enforcement at California State University, Fresno. For the last 4 years, she has served at the United States Attorney's Office, first as a student aide in the criminal division, and then as an administrative clerk, in which capacity she continues to work today. Carol Ann states, I would like to thank all of my family and friends who have been there for me and supported me through these last 4 years. I'd particularly like to thank my husband Martin for always being there as a shoulder to cry on, for his unwavering belief in me, and for always encouraging me when I felt like giving up. I'd also like to thank my daughter Sophia for always making me smile no matter what. I could not have done this without all of you. Thank you. Congratulations. John Trevor Simonson. Trevor graduated from the University of California, Los Angeles with a Bachelor of Arts degree in political science. He was a Best Brief finalist in the George Hopper Moot Court competition, and he worked as a law clerk for attorney David R. Mugridge and as a hearing representative at the Floyd, Scarron, and Kelly law firm. After the bar exam, Trevor plans to remain at Floyd, Scarron, and Kelly as a workers' compensation defense attorney. Trevor states, I would like to thank my wife, Mallory, for being so understanding and patient during this entire experience. I'd also like to thank my parents, Joe and Lenore, for their unending support for anything appropriate that I've attempted academically or otherwise. Finally, I'd like to thank my extended family for their encouragement and my study group, James, Amanda, and Jonas, for dragging me forcibly toward passing grades. Congratulations, Trevor. Heather Michelle Sperling. Heather received her Bachelor of Science degree in Criminology at California State University, Fresno. She's a recipient of the Theodore R. Forrest Memorial Trial Advocacy Scholarship. Heather's been employed at the Fresno County District Attorney's Office since 2010, and she hopes to become a criminal prosecutor. Heather says, I would like to thank my fiancé, Eloy, for always being supportive and making me realize that there is light at the end of the tunnel. You have been by my side through all the stress and my many breakdowns. I would also like to thank my two beautiful sons, Elijah and Evan. You are the reason I get up every day and work so hard to succeed. Thank you to my mom, Sandy, for always being there, and my dad, Chuck, for being a shoulder to lean on. I couldn't have done it without all of you. Congratulations, Heather. Elizabeth Allison Tomasian. Elizabeth graduated from California State University, Fresno with a Bachelor of Science in Agricultural Communications with an emphasis in public relations. She was a Best Brief finalist in the George Hopper Moot Court competition and was awarded the Baradat and Pabujan Trial Advocacy Scholarship. She's a member of the Delta Theta Phi Law Fraternity and served as a staff member for the San Joaquin Agricultural Law Review in 2012-2013. For the past year, she's been working as a law clerk at the Hammerschmidt Broughton Law Firm. Elizabeth would like to thank her family, friends, and study group for their unconditional support over the last 3 years. She would also like to thank Mark Broughton and Jeffrey Hammerschmidt for their guidance and for instilling in her a more profound passion for the law. From the bottom of her heart, she would specifically like to thank her boyfriend, Jaime Moncayo, and her parents, Chris and Gary Tomasian, for their constant love and encouragement, and for the personal sacrifices they have endured during this journey. Congratulations, Elizabeth. Michael Charles Titus. Michael graduated from California State University, Fresno with a Bachelor of Science degree in Business Administration with an entrepreneurship option. Michael served as the Student Bar Association Secretary during his third year at SJCL. He worked as a law clerk at the firm of Baradat and Pabujan and plans to pursue a legal career in civil litigation with hopes of being a successful civil trial attorney. After the bar exam, Michael will join the Cooper & Cooper law practice. Michael adds, I want to thank my parents and younger brother for always being there and supporting me over the last 3 years, Andrew Antaramian, John Orman, Jordan Penner, and Roshana Shirzad for holding me accountable and providing tons of laughs both in and out of the classroom, and Warren Pabujan for being a great mentor and guiding me every step of the way from taking the LSAT to finishing my third year of law school. And finally, an apology to Professor Purvis for all the times I may not have been fully prepared for class and for all those case briefs I butchered in his constitutional law class. Congratulations, Michael. Justin Nigel Beccarelli. Justin received his Bachelor of Science degree in Criminology from California State University, Fresno. He received Whitkin Awards for academic excellence in real property and business organizations and was a Best Brief finalist in the 2013 Hopper Moot Court competition. Justin interned at the Fresno County District Attorney's Office and also worked full-time as a law clerk for the Lozano Smith and the Pascuzzi, Moore, and Stoker law firms. He plans to be a civil litigation attorney while continuing to grow and expand his family's real estate investment business. Justin says, I would like to thank my wife, Sally, for forcing me to take my last final during my first year when I was ready to throw in the towel. My mother, Debbie, and my father-in-law, Steve, for always dropping what they were doing and helping watch our kids when it was time to get work done. My father, Eric, for instilling in me a relentless work ethic that I had to rely on during law school, and my grandmother, Carolyn, for her support and generosity. Congratulations, Justin. Tyler Michael Vieira. Tyler received his Bachelor of Science degree in Biomedical Engineering at DeVry University in Fremont. He received Whitkin Awards for academic excellence in torts and advanced research and writing, and he served for 2 years as a student mediator in SJCL's Regional Family Law Mediation Clinic. Tyler states, I would like to extend my gratitude to my parents, Norman and Jerry Vieira, along with my extended family. I would also like to thank Justin and Sally Veccarelli and Jack and Christina Hathaway for all their support. One of my greatest accomplishments at attending SJCL was having the opportunity to network with so many fine individuals, and I consider the aforementioned top class. I would also like to thank the staff and faculty for creating a favorable learning environment. Congratulations, Tyler. Robert James Yamamoto. Robert received his Associate of Arts degree in Political Science at Reedley College and his Bachelor of Arts degree in Political Science at the University of California, Santa Barbara. Robert states, "Graduating law school has been one of my lifetime goals, and I would like to thank SJCL for helping me achieve it. Next, I would like to thank my family and friends for their love and support during law school. Finally, I would like to thank my classmates for helping me study and pass each class, even though I thought I failed each one. I can't wait to begin the next chapter of my life." Robert, congratulations. Will the class of 2014 please rise? Ladies and gentlemen, the San Joaquin College of Law class of 2014.
Have you always dreamed of becoming an attorney? San Joaquin College of Law offers day and evening classes, enabling you to obtain your degree in as little as 3 years. A bachelor's degree in any major, from accounting to zoology, qualifies you to apply to SJCL. San Joaquin College of Law has produced talented graduates who hold prestigious and influential positions locally, across the state, and throughout the country. Located midway between Los Angeles and San Francisco, San Joaquin College of Law is the only accredited law school in a 120-mile radius. The population of the San Joaquin Valley area is one of the fastest growing in the United States. Employment opportunities continue to expand to meet the region's needs. Unlike in Northern and Southern California, where numerous law schools are clustered in each area and the job market is saturated, legal jobs here are readily available. Please visit SJCL's website to see for yourself the constant stream of open positions for attorneys in this area. SJCL students enjoy the comforts of a small town feel in the middle of a metropolitan area. Located in downtown Clovis and nestled in a park-like setting in close proximity to the Clovis City Hall and Police Department, SJCL is surrounded by shopping, restaurants, and housing within walking distance. Recreational options abound, with the Sierra Nevada mountains less than an hour and the California coast 3 hours away. Your first day of law school is really your first day of practicing law. Class sizes are small, averaging 25 people per section, providing SJCL students an unparalleled opportunity to interact with and learn from extraordinary professors on a first-name basis. Grading is not on a curve, thus faculty and students are all motivated to work as a team towards everyone's success. This collaborative learning environment is unknown at most law schools and is frequently the reason students select SJCL when deciding between law schools. We attribute our high bar passage rate to this unique combination of student effort, small classes, and faculty investment in student success. Students at SJCL have a multitude of experiential learning opportunities outside the classroom. They can participate in external moot court competitions, like the Trainer Moot Court Competition. They can become published authors in the San Joaquin Agricultural Law Review. Student organizations, like the Student Bar Association, Delta Theta Phi, and Law Students United in Tolerance, provide opportunities to meet and learn from other law students. As members, students participate in professional seminars and social events, building networks in the local legal community. If you are interested in receiving more information about applying to San Joaquin College of Law or would like to arrange for an on-campus tour, please contact our Director of Admissions at 559-323-2100. That's 559-323-2100.